Hey friends, how y'all doing? It's Kimberly. In this video, I'm going to be doing a product review of my mug. And it's by Rogue and Wolf. And it comes in this beautiful box. Love the moon phases. And when it came, let me open the box for you. It was very well protected. It had the styrofoam on top, and then very well protected. But I love this mug. In our house, we love Halloween, so it's anything we can have that's Halloween related. Pardon, but the inside, just moon and stars, and it's like drinking out of a witch's cauldron. I just think that's so cool. I don't know. I'm kind of weird, I guess. But I'll insert some video of it. As you can see, it fits under a Keurig quite decently. Rogue and Wolf. Beautiful mug. I love the size of this mug. I had to have something that had the night sky in it. Just love it. That's the setting I put it on. This mug is microwave safe and dishwasher safe, so you can do almost anything with it. But I just love that it's like drinking out of a cauldron. I just love that. Ooh. I hope you like this product review of the Rogue and Wolf mug. Beautiful. Look at that. Just beautiful.